Alright guys, welcome back to the channel once again, and today we're gonna be seeing how we can send the email through the Django project. So I'll show you with the mail trap, like this is my mail trap account, and I'll show you with that like how we can send the email to the user account. And there's my some credential that I'm not gonna be displaying over here, but yeah, I'll use this inside the settings.py and we will send the email over there. So let me just show you quickly what credential we need that with that we can send the email. So let me just show you. So there are a few things that we need, like host, port, username and password, and these settings that we need to allow inside, like these variables that we need to fill inside the settings.py, and after that we will be able to use send mail library, or we can say module that comes with a Django. Okay, so just go into the settings.py. Okay, let's copy things from here. So just copy all the things from here. Okay, control C, and just go into the settings.py, remove this host, port, and remove these things as well. So I'm just going to remove this secure socket layer, like SSL part. We don't need that, and we will gonna make this TLS true. Okay, into this case. Okay, in the mail trap we need that one, so that's it. And after that we just need to fill these things, like we need to provide the details for these email host, port and username password for email. So I have these credentials over here into the mail trap, so show credential. So I'm gonna blur these credentials, but you can see this is my host name, port name and username and password. So these things we need to copy from here and paste it over there one by one. Okay, so let me just quickly paste that and I'll just come back to you. So this is, you can see, this is the SMTP address, smtp-mailtrap.io. So whatever the email we will send, that will only go inside the mail trap. So mail trap is a kind of mock email server that whatever the email you will send into your dev or staging environment, that will be received inside your mail trap inbox, and all the email you will see over here. But once it go into production, so you need a like email server where you can send the actual email to your client or whoever will use your app, so he will receive the email into your actual email account. But here you can mock the emails, like all the email will go inside the smtp mail trap. Okay, so for that, so Gmail doesn't allow now because just because of the security purpose, but earlier late we can use that Gmail part directly, but now you need to use that with the Google APIs, so that you can send the email with the Gmail account. Okay, so now let's I have pasted all the things. Now go into the views.py and just so in the last video I shown you, like we have created some signals. So inside this signal I'm just going to configure that thing for the mail sending. So whenever our user will be created, so it will send one email to that user. Okay, so from django.core import mail. Okay, just oh sorry, just go down over here. So just do mail.send email, and you need to put the subject. So subject will be user created. I'm just putting it randomly, whatever I feel, but you can just configure it properly. So user created successfully. Thank you for opening the account, and you opening an account from email. So I'm just going to put anything, abc@gmail.com, but you need to put a genuine email over here when you are sending to the production server. Okay, so recipient is, so we need to provide the list of the recipient over here. Maybe it is 1 or 2 or whatever it is, abc@gmail.com. Okay, let's try to create one user and we'll see like it's working or not. So just reload the page. Okay, it's not. Okay, let's check this out. I think we need to run the server first, reload the page, put the name, Abhishek, sorry for the spelling, .com 234. Okay, register. So it will take a while, it is sending the email and all the things, so it will take a while to create the user. and you can see user created successfully, and we'll see this mail trap. So you can see we have received the email for the user created HTML source. uh, let's go, there's no HTML source, so that's why directly it is coming, because we are raw text we are sending, so that's why it's coming like this. Otherwise you need to send the HTML, so you will receive the emails like this. Let me show you over here. So you will receive the emails like this, HTML source or something like that. So this is the SMS source. So this kind of thing you will receive. Otherwise we are receiving like this. Okay, so if I show you raw, so raw it will like this. You can see from email and to email, all the details you will receive over here. So that's how it works. So it's very easy, you can configure by your own. Actually, you just need to come over here on a mail trap, and you just need to create one account, and you will get your credential directly into the inbox. Just go into the my inbox, and you can see all the credentials over here. Just copy and paste it over there into the settings.py and start working. So it's easy peasy. Okay, thank you so much guys, thank you for watching, and subscribe the channel. And if you like this video, hit the like button and do subscribe the channel. And thank you so much guys, thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next video with the new tips and tricks of the Django. Thank you.